Welcome back to the Tennessee Frugal Craftsman. This is the video I promised on doing the floor drains. I figured I'd give you an aerial shot of what I'm doing here, and then I'll go down and give you a close-up. This drain here is the one that goes over where the furnace is going to be setting there. So that is for condensation. So that'll be inside the wall, and I'll just elbow it out and let the water run. Comes in through, picks up this floor drain, and goes straight out through, out over the side hill. That tees right into the main floor drains and goes out underneath there in the doorway. This last one that I put in is for if I happen to put in a hot water tank. If I'm thinking about going with a tankless, but if I do put in a tank, you know, my water line's coming in there, I'll put my hot water tank in there, and I'll have my overflow there. So that's the plan. I also have a couple floor drains over here, and I'll explain those in a minute. I'll be back. Okay, now down inside, what I did is this is actually a reducer. It goes from a 4 to a 3, and it fit nicely inside of the black corrugated. Actually, it's solid line from here over and out. So that fit in nicely, and everything else is basically your typical what you would expect for your PVC. This is it's got a really good slope down here, and I've just attached these to the foundation or the footer, and centered it where my load-bearing wall is going to be, right there at 16 feet. So that is in place. Then this was just an elbow. I'll just take this off so you can see. And you can get this particular fitting has a 2-inch line that feeds into that elbow. That I just put a reducer in to take it down to 1.5 inches, because all this is an overflow. So 1.5 inches is plenty. And then just continuing on, nice slope back here. And as you can see, screwed it down tight. So, and this I didn't actually put any glue on this. I just dry fit it. That way, when they're finishing it, they can, as it's setting up, they can pop that out and trowel it without hitting those pipes. I know how much fun that is. It's bad enough having 3 floor drains in here, but they should be able to go right over, pretty much over the top of those, because I set those down in 1/4 of an inch slope from the wall in. So now these two over here in these rooms, all I did, same basic type of thing, just elbowed, went over and teed into my interior floor drain. And so the chances of water getting in this back area, pretty slim, but while I'm building, if any water that's coming down through, everything will I could squeegee it out, because again, these are 1/4 inch drop from the outside edge to the top of that. So the water, hopefully when they contour the concrete here, everything will run down into those lines. So I think I've got everything in the floor that I need. Pretty much, you know, everything else is going to be running off the ceiling and over and down onto the walls and up there, across down to where it goes out. So anyway, just thought I would give you a quick look at what I was doing here for floor drains. The reason I put 3 in is, like I said, main thing was just during construction, so I didn't have a lot of standing water down here. We could get it out of here if I wanted to work down in here someday. So, plus, if you ever it doesn't cost much, a couple $100 to put floor drains in. Saves a lot of headache later. And so I'll come back, I'm going to fill this in, and we'll come back and have a look at the finished product. Okay, I'm going to finish this video. I've got everything filled back in now. I am leveling out the floor for the last time, getting some of the big jagged stuff. I'm dumping some gravel in over, just leveling everything out, picking up anything that would tear the plastic. I still got a little bit here, but this stuff is a little easier on the plastic when I put it down. So I think I'm going to call it a video, and we will, excuse me, we will pick up with the next one. I think the next video will be on having the floor poured. That's hopefully coming Monday. I won't be around for most of it, but hopefully I'll get some of the video of it in action. It's a job. Anyway, appreciate you joining me for the floor drains on the inside. We'll pick this up next time, and hopefully you have a great day, and if you would, please like and subscribe. See you next time.